Hello, trading is closed on May 21st, 2021. We always start with our disclaimer. Let's do that. This is my trading plan for Monday, May 24th, 2021. Please remember I can be completely wrong. Trade at your own risk. Please follow the rules of my channel. Click like if you do like it and tell your friends if you do like it. We said yesterday that unless we gapped up and took out these highs promptly, we should see lower prices. We gapped up and took the highs out promptly, so no call. Looked for the pattern with the early low. This is it. Monday's pattern also has the early low. During the day, MEJT gave a buy signal, which means there's a higher target, but it also said there's a lower target, and they've all printed. We still have an ultimate target, 41.3791, but that has to print ultimately. It usually prints pretty soon, but it doesn't have to. There's no time limit on it. What about Monday? Well, we have a count, but it's not the only valid count. And if the count's all you have and you know it's not necessarily valid, you'd like to have something else. The longer we go without dropping, the more suspicious this count becomes. I was looking for a wave blue C somewhat similar to wave blue A. Well, I'm not seeing it. This is just a consolidation. So was this a consolidation for a big drop? Or is this idea wrong and this not the end of wave blue B? Let's look at one of the alternate counts. You can have this is A and this is B. You can have an ABC good fibs. And with this count, wave 5 occurs right at the high. You've got 5 waves down from the high, and you've got an ABC ending at today's high. So if that's the right count, if it is, and if we start an impulse down right now, then everything fits for wave blue C being equal to wave, at least comparable to wave blue A. But let's take a look at this wave here, 4 to 5. This isn't the alternate count, this is the original count. With the original count, you've got to clear 5 waves down. This would be 1. You have an ABC, C equal to A, that would be 2 of some degree, and this should be a 3rd wave down. But for that count to really work, with this being the end of the move, this would have to be a 5-wave structure. Well, I mean, you can do it. You could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks kind of specious to me. It doesn't break any rules, but the principle of alternation of waves 2 and 4 would be violated. Wave 5 doesn't break any rules, but it looks like it's a bit shrimpy to me. If it works, it works, but I kind of suspect that idea might be wrong. Just because I suspect it doesn't make it so. Well, Monday's pattern has the early low. We could gap up. Typically, it's a rally day with a final hour high. If the day's weak instead, more weakness typically ensues in subsequent days. From the all-time high, we have 5 waves down and an ABC pattern with C equal to A. There's also a lower ultimate MEJT target, and ultimately it should print. So regardless of what the wave count is, that's a pretty negative scenario. Now, sentiment indicators and valuation indicators, they're at level compatible with tops, but they've been at these levels for months, and they're not really precise timing indicators. If the market can't start a strong impulse down from here with all this going for it, we must consider the possibility the market's consolidating rather than topping. Now, Friday's action on the 5-minute chart doesn't look particularly impulsive to me. The day-long drop couldn't even manage a close under the midday low. For the bears to win, they really need a swift drop Monday, pretty much right from the open, to keep the current ideas alive. I mean, is this an impulse down? I mean, you can count, 5, 1 is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in ABC. It just looks more like a consolidation at this point, and we couldn't even take out the lows here. Now, all that's going to change if we drop smartly on Monday, and I'm not predicting that one way or the other. We certainly have enough in the wave count to justify it, but if we don't drop smartly Monday, with all this has going for it, I think the odds increase that we're going to see higher highs instead, and that this is just a consolidation with more highs to come, because this isn't the only valid count. So if this is the high, we better start dropping hard and fast, or else we're going to have to get our erasers out with this idea. So Monday has the early low. If you're a bear, you want a quick, fast move down. If we're going to recover from this, we're going to get our erasers out with the count. And that's today's call.